This is Mama Elliot. She's doing day 1 of my New Year's challenge for the month of January, and I just absolutely love what she wrote in this video. She compares your fitness journey to being a newlywed, where in the beginning it feels new and fresh, but the honeymoon phase doesn't last forever, just like the New Year's Day doesn't last forever. You start off with all this motivation and excitement, but for it to work out in the long run, you need to put in the work. But most importantly, you need to keep that promise to being committed, even on those tough days that you're going to encounter in your journey, all those obstacles. It's not always going to be easy, but you have to forever keep that promise because it's going to be worth it. And I can totally relate. I just got engaged, and in a relationship, in your fitness journey, your career, everything in life literally requires you to put in the effort and to be consistent for it to work, but it's totally worth it.